I'm Dr. Samuel Bederman. I'm a spine surgeon in Orange County, California. One of the things that we're seeing far more commonly these days are compression fractures of the spine, usually a result of osteoporosis. One of the great procedures for this condition is a procedure called kyphoplasty. Kyphoplasty is an injection of bone cement into the bone that's fractured after opening it up with the use of a balloon. Once the cement has been injected into the area of the fracture, it provides immediate stability and often significant pain relief. It allows people who have had compression fractures to get on their feet quickly, get through recovery quickly, and get back to normal activities quickly.